I like to get out here early in the morning when the bees aren't too active. I can do some deadheading on the roses and the dahlias. The bees are starting to wake up and get moving. So I'm just going to make a loop over the post, catch multiple heights. I do have a tomato cage in here, but it's a little bit too low. I used a smaller one. Oh, broke it. Well, there's a cut flower for the house. It happens. We'll go around the top again. There we go. Once around the top, get the things out, and just a half hitch. Those will stand. This one's about dead anyways. We'll cut it down. I love that salmon color. Missed one in here, but that's all right. We'll just weave it around. The sprinklers are on, and I'm just trying to get rid of some of these dead heads. It's going. My dahlia's over. Just keep cutting it back. New ones will come. These guys here. There's been some bug damage on this dahlia, probably slugs. I need to get in here and eradicate. But I like to get out here early in the morning. The bees aren't out. And the dahlias really need to be deadheaded. These guys. This is a cactus style dahlia. Compost. Sometimes gladiolas, if you have a mild winter, you don't need to dig them. They'll just come back on their own. Our winter was pretty mild last year. Some years we get a really cold one. We will get. We have been known to have super cold winters. So I like to hedge my bets. I don't take every single gladiola out, but I will take a bunch. So I can assure myself of some gladiolas for the next year. And sometimes, because I'm more of a plugger than a planner, I just plug stuff in. I'm not always particular where I plan all my stuff out. Sometimes what happens is I plant stuff in the wrong area. So I get multiple areas of gladiolas or dahlias pop up from the previous year that I didn't dig. They just wintered over because it was mild. If we have a mild winter, your dahlias will overwinter in the garden. Your gladiolas will overwinter. Now this one here, this is called Rumble Bumble. It's almost done. I'm gonna leave it one more day because I like it. I didn't cut it in time for a cut flower, so. But I do like this one. I think I'm gonna cut this one back. It's just too much of it, crowding out my other dahlia. I have a lot of this. You can see why they call it Rumble Bumble. I mean, look at that guy. Rarely do I see this flower without a bee on it. Something about that flower that the bees love. They must have a smell. Some kind of odor that's driving the bees towards it. These dahlias are nice. This one's done. A lot of people love cut dahlias for the house, and I do take a few in, but mostly they just sit out here. This one, that one's done. This one's about done, but it's okay for a couple days. This blue globe thistle. But I do love these echinops. I think that's the name. I'll put it up there for you. This tomato cage didn't hold its weight very well. That's better. Now I'll just hitch this around. Once and twice. And we're done. Now we're straight up. That's better. Sea holly. I like this stuff. The bees love it. That's about all I have for you guys. You guys have a good day.